Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more banking insights. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. Please remember that this video reflects my personal experience using these banks. HSBC USA or CIBC Bank. Which one reigns supreme? In this video, we'll dissect both HSBC USA and CIBC Bank to help you pinpoint the perfect fit for your financial requirements. We'll delve into their features and identify the ideal customer profile for each. HSBC USA shines as the premier choice for individuals with international banking needs or global financial dealings. As a key player in a vast global network, HSBC provides a comprehensive suite of accounts, credit cards, and investment services. Their Premier Checking and Premier Savings accounts, designed for high-net-worth individuals, offer competitive interest rates and exclusive perks, though they do require higher minimum balances. A cornerstone of HSBC's appeal is its unparalleled global reach, providing access to services in over 55 countries. This is a boon for frequent travelers and those managing finances across multiple currencies. Furthermore, HSBC's 24/7 customer support ensures accessibility for international clients across various time zones. CIBC Bank, conversely, maintains a more regional focus, predominantly serving clients within the US, with a particularly strong presence in Michigan, Texas, Arizona, and California. CIBC offers a diverse array of personal banking services, encompassing checking, savings, and mortgage products. A significant strength of CIBC lies in its robust business banking services, meticulously crafted to support entrepreneurs and small businesses. For personal banking, CIBC provides solid, low-fee accounts, including their basic checking account, ideal for those seeking simplicity and minimal maintenance. CIBC's highly rated mobile banking app further enhances the convenience of everyday banking tasks. In conclusion, HSBC USA emerges as the optimal choice for individuals requiring global banking services, particularly those who travel extensively or require access to international markets. CIBC Bank, however, excels in providing regional banking solutions, featuring excellent options for small businesses, competitively low fees, and robust customer service. For a more in-depth look, check the description below for additional details and resources to help you decide which bank best aligns with your financial goals.